Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your vegetable seed from your garden, so you don't have to buy any more seed and waste time and waste money. And you could pick which vegetable you want. So if you're having like a massive butternut squash, well, this is not a massive one, but if you have like your favorite squash or eggplant or something that you harvest from your garden and you think it's massive or you think it's beautiful and you would wish you could grow more, I will tell you guys, save that seed. So basically I just picked one of the butternut squash and I'm going to show you guys what are you doing. First of all, you want to cut, but when you're cutting, you're not cutting straight through, because if you cut straight through, guys, you will be cutting a lot of seed. So you could cut halfway on this side. Then what I do, I flip it around, cut it halfway, and then wobble it around a little bit and then pull it apart. So when you pull it apart, guys, in a butternut squash, your top half you have the squash, and in the bottom, that's what you have all the guts, the guts of the squash, and you have all the seed. So what do you do, guys? You take a spoon, you spoon it out, or you could take your hand and you get it all out, and you could wash all out, pull out all the stuff from the seeds. I'll show you guys right now. Basically you could just take one out and look, you just wash them out clean. And after washing them out, guys, I'll show you what I did. You could easily use a cardboard like this. So if you look right here, guys, I'm trying to show with the camera angle, I do have a bunch of butternut squash seed here. Believe it or not, they give a lot of seed, so this was only from 2 butternut squash. Basically this, guys, I'm going to show you right here, that's been about 4 days now. So basically after you wash it out, you dry it out a little bit, you want to spread it out. You want to spread it out in a cardboard box, or even like a plate, a paper plate. What I have here, I do have, if you guys can see, I do have here, this is white summer squash. My plant was dying, and basically I had the vine borders was eating out from the bottom. Couldn't stop that or control that part. So before losing the squash plant, I was able to harvest one last squash and I saved the seed. So coming next year, summertime, I got a bunch of seed and I'm gonna ready to plant. So that's been drying for 3-4 days, guys. So basically after you wash your seed out, you put it in a cardboard box. Do not use any plastic or anything like that. Keep it cardboard, paper plate. And then what you're gonna do, guys, say your first day you washed it out, is drying it, you put it in your plate and you leave it like that. Within the day, as you're walking by or you're walking past it, take your hand and just kind of like move it around. So because of the wetness, it will get stuck sometimes. So you do want to move it around a little bit, shovel it up a little bit every day. Every day I have it on my kitchen countertop like this, and I'll walk past and I'll go like this. Sometimes I have the kids just playing around with it. The reason why you do it, you don't want it to stuck, and you want both sides to dry evenly, and you want it to dry fully dry before storing. And when it's fully dry, I would say it takes at least about 7 days. It takes 1 week to dry. And after it's fully dry, you will see you will see it's dry. You will see it's drying out, and it will be really hard, and that's when you know it's perfect time to store it. My way how I store it, guys, you could get an envelope or a paper and fold it up and put it away. I see some people use mason jar and they put it in the mason jar, but I just use regular envelope. Another thing what you want to do, like if you look at my plate here, let me see if I can do that. There's name right there. I write on the plate. So if you have your cardboard box, write on your cardboard box what type of seed that is, so you know your vegetable. So next year when you come in and you're planting, you want to know what you're planting. You don't want to just put random seed in a different spot and then you have like a giant pumpkin plant or something like that. So that's how it is. It's easy to store your seeds. Don't pick your veggies when they're baby. Wait till they grow to close to max size, so the seed could be bigger and easier. They're easier to handle and dry out and all that, and they're more mature. And that's, I think, when you get the best seed, guys. And another thing, how to pick out the best seed and the best high quality seed, is when you take it out, you could always put it in a cup of water. And when you put it in a cup of water, you keep stirring it for a day or two, and then you'll see all the heavier seed will fall down and the lighter seed will float up. This lighter one is the more like weaker ones. Some of them are no good. The heavier ones on the bottom, those are the high quality, good quality one, and you could tell they have 100% nutrition inside, and they will plant faster, and those guys will produce way faster. Alright, guys, so hopefully this video was helpful. And you could do this to your pumpkin, you could do this to your squash, whatever plant you got, you could save all your seed, guys. And then come next year, you have multiple seed you could plant. You don't have to spend back a lot of money. You don't have to search for seed or go through all the all the trouble. This is really organic way. It's a good way because you know what you plant, you know how you harvest, you know what you're doing. You got full control of everything. So I think saving your seed is definitely a win-win situation in the garden. Alright guys, so hopefully this video is helpful. If it's helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new guys, welcome to GreenTGarden again. And if you're new, I have a lot more videos coming up guys. And I'm going to start doing some vlogging. I'm going to be doing some vlogging videos showing you guys around a little bit more. And do subscribe. Click the bell icon. It's 100% free guys, and you stay up to date with all my video garden tips, tricks, and everything about garden guys. So hopefully you guys are staying safe and being safe. We did have a previous hurricane. We were lucky to miss it. It didn't hit us, but I did lost a couple plants in my garden, a couple of my pepper plants, tomato plants, even like I had a squash plant that running up, it got broken down. So I'm gonna be going in. It's been about 2-3 days I didn't get to go in the garden. It's been rain, it's been wet, it's been really bad. So I'm gonna make you guys another video and show you guys my garden and greenhouse. Also, if anyone of your friends and families having this problem, please share my videos. It's 100% free and I do appreciate it guys. Thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden.